crazy. Mike, I'm recording a video.
So what?
Put it up though. Mike, you yo, bro. Damn, can't never do nothing. But anyways, late Valentine's. Get ready with me. I have my wig that I made. I wore it already, so whew, I look crazy. Mike, I'm recording a video. Okay, so I know I look like the crazy and rude bitch from hell, but I promise I'm really not. My boyfriend just always seems to come in the way while I'm trying to record videos. See, this is why I can't get nothing done in the first place. This was Valentine's Day. I am just now getting this uploaded because I felt like it wasn't a good enough content, but I'm going to post it anyway. So as you guys can see, I'm putting on my wig that I've already wore. Um, I'm just putting the tabs. I have like some combs on the side of my wig that I attached on the side to make it easier to lay down. I was debating on if I wanted to glue my wig or if I wanted to just wear it that way, but I ended up gluing it for more security. So yeah, girl, just looking like what the heck, trying to get my life right now. Okay, so boom, there we go. Got to be, you guys know the holy grail for putting those laces down if you ain't trying to take out your edges. So I'm about to glue this baby so my man can put it on it later. You know, a little tug tug, just a little tug tug. So yeah, I put a little bit right there on the side. Nothing major. Just putting the ear parts down really because the top part is already secure because my wigs stay laid. So yeah, I'm just putting that. Got to be. See, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I know y'all hear my dogs. Like they out here, they in the background just tussling. I swear I can't never get no videos done. But dang, who else has these problems? Okay, so I'm waiting. I gotta wait a few minutes. Let the glue dry. Um, so I can go ahead and fleek my baby hairs and whatnot so I can look, kind of presentable because it was Valentine's Day, you know. Okay, sis, I see you. I see you. Your edges, okay. They laying down a little bit. Okay, you gotta fix that one right there though, cause that ain't it. There you go. Yep, just like that. Hold it down a little bit. Let it dry. Yeah, sis. Yes, sis. Okay. So I'm just tacking my sides down so I can have a little sideburns and whatnot. Okay, so on to the edges. You guys, I do the little swoop, the swoopity doop, the doop doop doop, with the comb. So I put a little bit of the got to be and I just swoop it. Swoop, swoop, swoop. Yeah, just like that. Swoop, 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 swoop. Okay, yeah. You do it just like that. Once you got that one down, put a little bit of more that got to be. Yep, just like that, sis. Put a little bit more that got to be. And you in there. Yes. Yes. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to do the rest of my hairline like this until we look like we Indian or Caucasian or something. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I definitely had to take another sip because my man kept coming in my room, bothering me, and I'm letting my edges dry. And now my cousin in my ear, we talking. So I'm gonna speed it up, but I just throw a couple of curls in there. Once I finish my curls, do my curls for the girls, and then I am out with her. See, she trying to get me right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, so I just curled my hair, and basically that was it. This video is gonna be really quick and short. I will do more videos. You guys make sure you subscribe, show love, leave me some comments, and yeah, but yeah, girl, I'm about to get off this camera because I'm totally aggravated. I'm sure you guys can see that in my face, and bye, sis.
KV on the fucking beat. Go. Designer on me, kept me dabbing. Hit them all cash out on splashing. Bet then I used to be average. Finessing the plug, I'm a savage. Ball man from the waist down. Dolly go to cost by 4 pounds. Came up and they love me now. Pipe with the club when we come around. I'm saucing on these niggas, yeah. Yeah. I'm saucing on these niggas, yeah. Designer on me, kept me dabbing. Hit them all cash out on splashing. Bet then I used to be average. Finessing the plug, I'm a savage. I'm a type from a different cloth. Florida boy with a gust of sauce. Hella flavor on me dripping off. Make your baby mama take it off. Just for the cash, she'll do it all. The life that I live, man, I seen it all. I spray for the pain, cause yeah, that my law. But when I speak on the things that I saw, called up my little homie Noonie. She told me that these hoes is losing. Broke bitches I was choosing. We bosses, we gotta keep moving. These boys be the laces. Pockets filled up with big faces. See my ex chick the other day. Man, you should've seen that bitch face. I'm saucing on these niggas, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm saucing on these niggas, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The goalie call me 50, yeah. Yeah,